Hello and welcome to our video on navigating remote Forex prop trading. With the rise of remote work, it's important to find a prop trading firm with a strong infrastructure for remote trading. In this video, we'll discuss the challenges of remote Forex prop trading and provide tips on how to find a firm with a strong infrastructure. So, let's dive in. Section 1. What is Forex prop trading? Forex prop trading is a popular way to trade using a firm's capital. Prop trading firms provide traders with the capital and tools needed to trade, in exchange for a portion of the profits. This allows traders to trade with much larger capital than they would have on their own. Forex prop trading is a lucrative opportunity for experienced traders who have a proven track record of success. Section 2. Challenges of remote Forex prop trading. Voiceover. Remote Forex prop trading presents several challenges that traders must navigate. One of the main challenges is finding a prop trading firm with a strong infrastructure for remote trading. This means finding a firm that provides traders with the necessary technology and support to trade from anywhere in the world. Another challenge of remote Forex prop trading is the lack of face-to-face communication. Without being in the same location as the rest of the trading team, remote traders may find it difficult to communicate effectively with their colleagues. This can lead to miscommunications and mistakes that could cost the firm money. Section 3. Finding a firm with a strong infrastructure. Voiceover. So, how do you find a prop trading firm with a strong infrastructure for remote trading? Here are a few tips. Look for firms that have a proven track record of success with remote traders. Check out reviews and testimonials from other traders who have worked remotely with the firm. Research the technology and tools that the firm provides to remote traders. Look for firms that provide traders with top-of-the-line trading platforms, fast and reliable internet connections, and access to real-time market data. Ask about the firm's support for remote traders. Do they provide training and mentorship to help traders succeed? Are there opportunities for remote traders to connect with other traders and the trading team? By following these tips, you can find a prop trading firm with a strong infrastructure for remote trading. Section 4. Conclusion. Voiceover. In conclusion, remote Forex prop trading can be a lucrative opportunity for experienced traders, but it presents several challenges that must be navigated. By finding a firm with a strong infrastructure for remote trading, traders can overcome these challenges and succeed in the world of Forex trading. Remember to research firms thoroughly and look for those that provide the necessary technology, support, and opportunities for remote traders. Thank you for watching, and happy trading. Thank you for watching our video on navigating remote Forex prop trading. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Happy trading!